1K wind, barely noticeable even. I'm going to launch into the grass.
Okay.
Are you going?
Go for it.
Here we go.
Your picked up pretty good. Okay, I'm going to launch now. Fly working pretty good?
Failure of video kit. Or launch. Launch.
You better?
Yep. Perfect now.
Yeah, 8.
So,
Fucking searching sats. Mind if I throw my plane?
go ahead. I'm just coasting down. It's Jeff that's doing lots of
You're on channel what? That's better. Sounds like your prop has a lot more bite to it than mine. Oh, it's the same as mine. $10.6 is really good for mine. No problem. I noticed that. Yeah, I think I gotta buy another RVO list. I gotta buy another one of these things. It was the DXL. It's just so nice. Return home is actually fine. Right as day with the camera. Whereabouts? What the heck? Where were you?
I was west of here.
Close?
About a K out.
Oh, there it is. Oh, she looks to be in okay shape.
Transmitter's there.
With the exception of maybe this servo here.
Oh.
I think that servo is just jammed.